Hello YouTube. This is a review of my Smith Carolina typewriter. As you can see, the keys work. See, yeah, and everything worked fine except for this equal sign right here. It was right under there, so it doesn't work. I'll try to type something for you to prove that it works. Yeah, I'll show you how to type something. Oh yeah. That it works, I'll show you. I just gotta put the ink felt. As you can see, I typed hi right there. Yeah. Works like that. Has hold buttons and everything. And well, that's pretty much it for my typewriter. Thanks for watching.